Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is the basics of painting, 101, part 13. Let's get started.
Now that the touch-up mud is dry, it's ready to sand it out. As you can tell, the touch-up edges cross through here. It might be a little hard to see on camera, but these are the areas that we'll be sanding out the touch-up in. We'll be using a fine, extra fine sanding sponge that we've been using through the project. Make sure you get the edges and the cap and the touch-up area very good. It's also a good idea to use your sanding light. That way you see that you're not over sanding anything or leaving any extra marks as you're sanding out. You can also run your hand across it to see if there's a lump. A lot of body men who do auto body, they use this technique as well. They use sight as well as touch to determine if there's a lump in a wall.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.